Hello friends, in this lesson we will study NHRC. NHRC means National Human Rights Commission. You see, National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, is a statutory body. What's a statutory body? Statutory body means a body created by the Act of Parliament. So you should remember, National Human Rights Commission is a statutory body, not constitutional body. Nowhere in the Constitution of India you will find NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, because National Human Rights Commission was created by the Act, Parliamentary Act in 1993 called Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. The Commission is the watchdog of human rights in the country. Right? You should remember. Now we'll talk about the composition. The Commission is a multi-member body consisting of a chairman and 4 members. The chairman must be or should be the retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India. And other 4 members are retired judges of or serving judges of Supreme Court. Number 2, serving or retired Chief Justice of High Court. Number 3 and 4, any persons having knowledge and practical experience in the field of human rights. So 4 persons or 4 members plus chairman. You should remember this. And apart from that, there are full-time members, 4 ex officio members, 4 members like Chairman of National Commission for Minorities, National Commission for SC, National Commission for ST, National Commission for Women. Now you should remember, the chairman and the members of NHRC are appointed by the President. However, there is a 6-member committee comprising of Prime Minister as head, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Leader of Opposition in both the Houses of Parliament, and Central Home Minister. So 6-member committee recommend the members or the names of persons, and as a result, the President appoints the members of National Human Rights Commission. The chairman and the members hold the office for a term of 5 years or until 70 years, whichever is earlier. However, the President can remove the chairman and any member if the members are insolvent, paid employment, or they are unfit, or on the grounds of, you can say, misbehavior. However, in case of misbehavior, President can refer this matter to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court will give judgment, and out of that judgment, the President can remove the members. The salaries, allowances, and other conditions of service of chairman and any member are determined by the central government. Right? Now we'll talk about the functions. Functions of NHRC. NHRC will inquire into the human rights violations or neglecting the human rights violations, right? Or they can visit jails, and they can also inspect the conditions of inmates, the conditions of food, right? They can also review the constitutional and other rights of human rights. So they can protect the human rights. They can also spread the literacy about the human rights among the people. And the headquarters of NHRC is at Delhi, right? And it has all powers like a civil court. One important information here, any matter, suppose anything happens here right now, in case of human rights violation, then from this day, suppose from today, within 1 year, the National Human Rights Commission can look into the matter, right? And after 1 year, the NHRC cannot inquiry. This is the thing you have to remember. And NHRC recommendations are recommendatory in nature, they can't punish. However, the recommendations are very, very important. Right? The Commission submits its annual and special report to the central government and the state government concerned. And these reports are laid before the respective legislatures. These are the things you have to remember for exam point of view. I hope you got this point. Wish you happy learning. Thank you very much.